Well, it may come as no surprise, but property prices across Australia and here on the Sunshine Coast continue to rise. We are seeing some phenomenal results being achieved by sellers here on the Sunshine Coast. We're seeing results $100,000, $200,000 above what would have been considered a premium price only a few months ago. So that's just showing how confident the market still is here on the Sunshine Coast and across Australia. You can check out my full market update by heading on over to martinuzzi.com.au. The link is below. So national residential dwelling values have increased to a record high $11.8 trillion. Prices are up 2.2% over the last quarter. Now that's the highest growth rate we've seen since May 2024. And the reason for that is, number one, a few interest rate cuts earlier this year. We've just seen a new incentive, the Home Guarantee Scheme, attracting more buyers into the marketplace. So rate cuts, incentives help stimulating that demand, and property shortage is still very much a common theme. We're seeing shortages 20% below the 5-year historic averages. So there's a lack of properties and still plenty of buyers coming into the marketplace. So that's going to continue on, I believe, for the next 12 months or so. There is talk of potential a slowdown in 12 to 24 months based on historic charts and some of the industry experts. However, for now, what we're seeing is sellers that have good properties, well presented, that work hard for their owners, they're achieving great results. And when I say work hard, I mean properties that have dual living opportunities. They have work from home spaces, neat and tidy, well represented, require little or low maintenance because people are busy these days. So those sort of properties are attracting a lot of good results. And also the property's location being very important, close to shops and schools and public transports and things of that nature. They seem to be getting snapped up very quickly. And again, the prices are a premium. So for sellers right now, if you are thinking of selling, get in soon. The spring market is definitely here and there is a lot of activity, and I think that'll carry through Christmas and New Year's, to be honest. We saw results last year. We actually sold one on Christmas Eve. So sales happened throughout this period. And whilst there's not as much stock on the market, I think the buyer activity is still going to be in a bit of a frenzy throughout this Christmas and New Year's period as well. So if you're selling, now is an opportunity time to have a discussion with us about what your best options are. And for buyers, just make sure you're ready. When that property comes up, make sure you can have your finance ready, you can make strong offers, and that you can go in to compete with the other buyers that you're up against. Because what I'm hearing for buyers right now, there's a lack of opportunities. They're in competition. They keep missing out on properties they're making offers on, and only by fractions or small amounts. So yes, definitely be prepared if you're a buyer. And again, you can reach out to us as well. We'd love to help you on that buying journey. Make sure you check out the full market update here today below in the link. And if there's anything we can help you on your property journey, please reach out to myself or the team here at MPG. Have a great week ahead.